Good afternoon, guys. This is Angela. I'm gonna do a resin pour on the board. This is a board, and measurement is very nice and leveled. So the colors I'm gonna use, let me see. I don't even know what colors to use. I already have it all mixed, the colors, of course, but I'm wondering in what fashion would I throw this on the canvas. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Look at this like a turquoise. It's a nice turquoise green. I love it. It's beautiful. Anyway, I'm gonna throw it on here. Let me turn this way. Because that way I get an idea how I want to put it on there. I got a letter or something from the resin about how it dries. It dries beautifully. I never have a problem with this and how it dries at all. In the beginning, yes, it was kind of sticky, but it was my fault. I was putting too much paint in it, you know, especially the white. I was really piling up the white, which made it all bad. Yeah. I wasn't sure what colors to use today because I've used so many colors already. I've done so many pours already. I was a little hesitant. And this is black along the edges. See how this is gonna look. Right, guys? Let's see, let's see. Shoot it up. Shoot it up a little bit with some heat. Give it some heat. And then I'll tilt it. And then we'll know what it will become. So I hope you all doing fine. As for me, I'm doing very well. I can't complain. Just haven't finished my geo. I'm still working on it. I don't know when I'm gonna finish it because now I don't even know if I like it. So there you go. Gonna tilt it to see what comes of this. Just gonna tilt it a little and see what happens with this, how it turns out. Oh, this happened last week. Oh, when was it? Yeah, last week. Let me just fix this phone. Ah, damn it. I'm not good at this. Oh, well, look at that. It looks so pretty. My artsy. There we go. Sorry, guys. Let's do this. I'm gonna tilt it different ways. I'm sorry. I want to make sure that this really spreads out evenly. that I have no boo-boos. Now this black sticks on so beautiful. I love it. So far, I like it. I like it, like it, like it. So far, I do like it. Let's get some of this for the edges. See, you gotta make do. You gotta put some for the edges, right? That's the way to do it. You gotta get your edges covered. All the edges, get them all covered. I really like this wood. It really goes good with the resin. It really stays really nicely, even on the edges here, you know. I'm wasting my paint. Look at that. I could do some pendants out of this. And how pretty is that? How gorgeous is that? Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Let's get some more down here. Let's start giving it some more of a gun here, some more of the heating process so it could take on. Let's see, the edges, the dark edges here. I want to stay nice and dark. Do this, gotta do it very nice and smooth so you don't scrape off the paint. Put some more white on that. I got a lot of white left over here. Why is it making that noise? Kind of weird noise that is making the generator. Alright, let's let me put my hair up because I can't have my hair loose with this. I'm gonna have all kinds of resins on my hair so I don't get my act together here. And I like the way it's coming out. I just want to put some dimethecone in the white. That way I'll get some cells, especially in the white. You see all those cells coming up now? That's because I'm hitting it up with dimethecone. Yeah, you see that, guys? Gotta know the trick to the tray. I think I'm going to tilt it one more time because the edges are becoming not so nice. They're not behaving as well. Cover that. Cover that beige. Please cover the beige. Maybe I'll leave the beige like that. It looks like gold instead of like Ah, like it's the wood itself. Oh my goodness, I gotta get this covered. It's gotta be covered. No, 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 don't do that to me. See if it covers it. Yeah. Bring it, good. Now I'm gonna tilt it the other way so that you cover the other corner. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to get it even. You see this? This is the canvas itself. I don't want the canvas showing. It's not a good thing. Canvas should be completely covered with more than 11 ounces of resin, because I use more than 11. For a 16 by 20, you're supposed to use 11. So I use more than that. I probably use like 12 or 14. I always put a little extra, just in case. You never know. You know, guys? So let's go this way a little bit more. Blower. It moves a lot faster with a blower than it does with a heat gun. So that's why you will see me change every once in a while from the blower to the heat gun. But I really like the way it's coming out. It's such a beautiful color. It's really appealing to me. I love it. I'm getting the edges really nicely. See guys, it all comes together. Sooner or later, it all comes together. Get some of that blue over here. I'm not going to tilt it too much anymore. I think it's looking pretty good. I like the way it's coming out. Yeah. More. Let's see if I get this coverage. Colors out. These colors are fabulous. Look how fabulous it's coming out. I love it. This is definitely a color I will do again, because beautiful color. Oh, the royal blue. I mixed it with regular green. That's how I got this color. So I'm always mixing my paints. I never have the same color paint that everyone else has, probably, most likely. All right, I'm just gonna give it another blowtorch, and I'll let you guys go. You don't want bubbles, you know. You want to make sure you torch it. Any bubbles coming up or any dimples? The dimples, you just put your finger in it and it goes away, because you press down in it with your finger, and it should level off. Dimples, those little dimples. just hit it, and little trick of the trade I learned while doing these. You gotta just hit it, and it goes away. Finger, we'll tap on one of your sticks, and it goes away. So there you go, guys. I'm done. I am gonna give you a close-up, and I'm gonna let you go. First, let me clean my hand a little bit, because I am like sticky everywhere. I don't know, but I think I like the resin all over me. I'm not happy if I don't have resin all over me. At least that's what my husband says. Here we go, guys. Yeah. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is such a beautiful color, the way it comes alive. Yeah, I love it. I love this corner here. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, guys, I think that's it. You all have a wonderful day. I think I'm going to hit it one more time with the gun and add a little bit more white in the middle. And that'll be it. So see you guys later. Love you all.